Now we're going to have a track by a band that I had the pleasure of seeing live on Saturday in my hometown.
You didn't invite me, did you?
No, that's right. I never invited you. And, well, a bit more about the band and the gig after this with the track...
Dean Thrashman, you're a disgrace. Come outside and show your face.
What the hell is he going on about? You child. With the track Tender Skin, this is the Death Trucks.
Hey, this is Coco in Castle, Germany, and you're listening to Thrashmans on Express FM.
You are indeed. That was the track Tender Skin by The Death Trucks. Check them out. It's The Death Trucks. Easy to find. Facebook and all those other places that, these bands have music. Very, very good band. I did see them live at the Star in Guildford at the weekend, and very, very good band they are too. And a little free piece. Very, very loud, very, very good, very, very energetic. And they did a nice little Motorhead Ace of Spades cover at the end. It was a good gig, so thank you very much, guys. Apologies, didn't really get a chance to chat or meet properly. I was probably a bit too busy with the ladies, But hello to everybody that was there and to the lovely young ladies that accompanied me along to the evening. It was very, very good. And fine band. Do check them out. That's The Death Trucks. And I'll be playing another band that was on that bill very shortly also. So thank you very much, guys. Do check them out. The track was Tender Skin. That was The Death Trucks. Did you like that, BD?
It was alright.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Iron Maiden.
I probably would have liked it better if I'd seen them live.
Oh, I see. You're still bitter that I never invited you. We could have. I didn't realise you were there. I thought you were at your hometown, which is miles away.
I was at home. I was entertaining a lady myself.
So you wouldn't have gone then?
I would.
So you're lying.
I was
going to
go to the old Chai anti-Reading Fest.
Really?
But the organiser didn't get back to me in time.
Oh, is that why you said bitter?
Yeah.
Nobody
invites me anywhere.
Well, you see, there's a theme here, isn't there? Get the hint. Right, let's move on. This is the sound of Intense.